It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Want an easy way to make your home smarter? The Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200 might be the perfect upgrade. At just $19.98, this single pole switch replaces a standard wall switch and connects directly to Wi-Fi. No hub required. One note, it's not a dimmer. If you need dimming, TP-Link's HS220 series is the way to go. For simple on-off control though, the HS200 delivers. It does require a neutral wire and a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, but installation is simple with the guided Kasa app. Once installed, you can control lights, ceiling fans, and other fixtures from your phone, whether at home, at work, or even on vacation. It also integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Imagine walking into a dark room and saying, "Turn on the lights." Extra features include scheduling, timers, and an away mode that randomly turns lights on and off for added security. It's reliable, affordable, and trusted by over 4 million users. It's also UL certified and supports up to 15 amps. No wonder it's the Hash 1 rank wall light switch in tools and home improvement. So, would you swap one old switch for smarter living?
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver. With sunny